Hello, I saw your question about Chapter 6, Section 3. You want to solve this equation here. You want to find all solutions on the interval 0 to 2 pi. So you want to solve tangent of 2x equal minus square root 3. So I let 2x equal theta and I substitute that in. So you want to find out where the tangent of theta is minus square root 3. Well, tangent's negative in quadrants 2 and 4. So tangent of 2 pi thirds would give you minus square root 3, and the tangent of 5 pi thirds would give you minus square root 3. Well, we want all answers from 0 to 2 pi, so that's why I add the 2n pi here. Then I resubstitute in the 2x for theta. I want to get x by itself, so I multiply half times that 2x gives you x, multiply the other side by half, and so I get x equals pi thirds plus n pi, and x equals 5 pi 6 plus n pi. Now we want to find all the answers from 0 to 2 pi, so we start substituting in values for n. If you put in 0 here, you just be left with pi thirds. Put 0 in here, you'd be left with 5 pi sixths. If I let n be 1, then I'd pi thirds plus n, or excuse me, pi thirds plus pi, which is 4 pi thirds, and if I put 1 here, that'd be 5 pi 6 plus pi, which is 11 pi sixths. If we substitute in 2 here for n, it'll be pi thirds plus 2 pi. It'll be adding 2 pi to the value. We want to stop at 2 pi. So I hope this helps.